Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Munnoh. Welcome back to the channel if you are a returnee, and if this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe to the channel so that we can be friends. For this gele, I am using the measurement 70-30. 70 is on my right while the 30 is on my left. So I went ahead to make my base pleats as I always do. Okay, so because I am using a mannequin head, I am using pins to pin down the gele on the mannequin head so that it doesn't unravel. If you are working on a human head, if you're working on somebody's head, ask the person to help you hold places where you need somebody to hold. But because I'm working on a mannequin, you see me use a lot of pins to stick the gele down on the mannequin head so that it doesn't keep shifting around. Remember to always extend your pleats to the nape of the neck when you make your base pleats. Now, after making my base pleats, I went ahead to cross at the back. You saw the way I crossed it at the back. The shorter hand is going to stay inside while the longer flap comes over. So I'm making more pleats on the on the longer flap right now. So I'm going to go ahead and make more pleats on that flap until I am satisfied with the height that I have gotten before I go ahead to start adding the fans on both sides. For this style, it is important that you leave enough fabric before you start adding your fans. So now I am adding my fans right now on the right side, on my right side. So I'm going to keep adding that fan and then pushing it back to the other side. If you look closely, you can see that I haven't done anything on the other side, but I just made sure that I left enough fabric there because I'm still going to go back and create that fan. Watch what I'm doing, you'll understand how I am creating my fans. Basically what I'm doing is I'm creating my fan with my right hand and feeding it into my left hand. All right, don't worry if your gele is falling as you are creating your fan, especially if you're using a soft fabric like I'm doing. We're going to fix it with pins later on. All right, so I just kept making that fan until I got to the very end of the fabric. You can see how the fan looks. You want to create a rounded fan at that point. All right, so that is what I have just done there. Now I'm going over to the other side to arrange my pleats. Now these fans that I have created here, I need to replicate it on the other side. This is not the regular fan that you do when you're tying fan gele. For this fan, the right side will face the left while the left side will face the right. So it's like they are facing each other. That's how this fan looks. So you want to keep arranging the other side, the left side, even if you need to use pins, especially if you're working with a soft fabric like I'm doing. You will realize that it won't stand on its own, so you need to use pins to secure it. You can see that my style is already beginning to show through. I just keep adjusting it until I get what I want. Now I am preparing to tie the gele. So you can see how I'm rolling it at the back before I tie. So I'm going to use the other hand to do the same thing that I have just done. If I had taken those big leftovers that you saw and just made a knot immediately, the knot is going to sit so low at the back and it will make the client so uncomfortable and it won't look neat. That is why I did what I did before tying or securing the knot. All right. So this is me just arranging the pleats until I get it to look how I want it to look.